Hi, welcome to Healing Remedies of the Bible, where I believe God has given us everything we need for divine health. Today I'm going to show you how to make an onion and honey cough syrup. It's excellent, it's fast relief, and it's super easy, and better yet, only 2 ingredients. So we're going to start with a red onion, which I have already chopped up here, as you can see, and we are just going to drop it down into a clean, sanitized jar. Okay? So let's just get this all dropped down in here. We're just going to drop a little bit of it in here for now. And then we're going to put just a spoon of honey. Now I like to use a raw, unfiltered honey. And I can put the link to this in my channel description, so that you can find the honey that I use here, if you would like. That's probably a little more than I need, but that's okay. Honey is an excellent antiviral, and the onion acts as an expectorant. So what is gonna happen here is this honey is going to extract the juices from the onion. Whoops. And then that juice that you get out of that is going to be your cough syrup. Now, you can also do this with white sugar instead of honey, but honey is always going to be your best option. It doesn't take long for all of this to come together. You just need to let it sit for just a few hours. The longer it sits, the more juices are extracted, but if you need it right away, you only need to let it sit for just a couple of hours. I would say 2, maybe 3 hours, and then you're gonna start seeing these juices come up out of this onion. Now, be very careful. You shouldn't give honey to children under 1. But other than that, and watch out for any onion allergies, but other than that, this stuff is amazing, and you're gonna love it. The taste really isn't that bad either. Yes, it's gonna taste a little like onion, but it's good for you. It's really good for you. Try it. You won't be disappointed. I probably should have chosen a smaller spoon, but that's okay. We're getting it here. We're doing it. It's working. You just want to cover the onion with the honey. There's no specific amount or anything along those lines. So we're just going to stop there. And as you can see, that honey is going to drop down in there. And like I said, just in a matter of hours, you're going to have an excellent cough syrup that will help clear your lungs. It will help soothe your throat. It's amazing. I think I picked the wrong lid here. So anyways, that's all for today. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss another God-given remedy. Thanks. Bye.